I am so happy with this product. So I will show you. It comes in a little sash and a little thing. They come sterilized in a little baggie, and they want you to rinse them off when you're done. So I already rinsed them. I actually had them already on. But I will show you. So this is my bottom portion where I am missing my bottom 2 teeth. And that just looks like my bottom teeth right there. These are my tops. Just looks like my top teeth. They literally just look like my teeth except for better. So I will show you. I'll take out this yucky one. No more of that. And then my tops. It's shocking. And you know, it's shocking for me at first because I've never had white teeth. I have never had good teeth. I have never been impressed when I look at myself and I smile, but I've been taking a lot of pictures of myself in the past day because I really am thoroughly impressed and thoroughly thrilled with this product. So if you have made it this far, please know that I'm for real. I am cheap. I am a mom who spends more on her kids than herself. And this product is something that I am so incredibly thankful for. I can speak normally. I can eat with these. I cannot tell you how excited I am about this product. 5 stars. If you are even kind of thinking about it, just go for it because it'll make you happy. Thanks, Pop On Veneers.